Hello my friends, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to bias your sleeve. This method is mostly found in uniform sleeves or casual sleeve. First, you have to cut out your normal sleeve. So this is my normal sleeve. I've already cut out my normal sleeve. Make sure your hemming allowance is added to your sleeve. Then you cut out your stripe. This stripe will be used to bias the sleeve. My stripe is 1 inch unfold. If you open it up, it will be 2 inches. Now place your stripe at the wrong side of your sleeve. Make sure you place it at the wrong side of your sleeve. Stitch using 0.5. This is me trying to confirm that I'm using 1 inch unfold as the bias. Now this 1 inch is not constant. You can decide to use 0.75 inch. Depends on your width preference, you know, but I'm using 1 inch so that by the time I must have stitched 0.5 inch inside, I'll be left with 0.5 inch out as the bias. I place the bias stripe on the wrong side of the sleeve, then stitch using 0.5 inch. Once I'm done stitching down the stripe on the main sleeve, I'm trying to confirm if I'm okay with the width of the bias, and I'm fine with it, so I trim off the excess. Your sleeve should be looking like this if you followed the video. The next thing is to hem your sleeve. This time around, we are not turning it to the wrong side. We're bringing it to the front side of the sleeve, just like same. So it depends on the allowance you left for the hemming. If you're using 1 inch, 1.5 inch, just fold the hem to the front side of your sleeve, just like same. I'm trying to measure out my sleeve to confirm if it's the actual length that I needed, and that's the length I needed. Then you stitch. Watch where I'm stitching. I'm not stitching on the bias stripe. If you followed everything in this video tutorial, this is how your sleeve will come out. This is the outcome of my sleeve, and it's looking beautiful. This is mostly used on uniforms and other casual sleeves. And yes, this is the final result. Please do well to like, subscribe, comment and share to your friends.